안녕하세요. 이쁘다.
There are a lot of gear devices around us. Their sizes are all different, from small sizes like drones to large sizes like airplanes or cars. Let's imagine a car. We require all the different speeds from them. Sometimes we use slow speed of the car, but sometimes, like in the highway, we use high speed of the car. Okay then, how can gear devices generate various speeds? They generate different speed by different gear ratios. Look at this gear. This ratio generates speed of 10. But if we control the teeth of gear, we can generate more faster speed. Like this, by using different gear sets that have a different gear ratio, gears can make different speed. But we still have a question here. How can they switch to another gear set? The answer is transmission system. That's exactly what transmission system does. Let's go deep in the car. This is a transmission system of a car. Gearbox lever, a set of gears, and clutch. Now, car is using this gear set. But if a driver wants to run faster, he pulls the lever. When he pulls the lever, transmission system switches to the next gear set. These gear sets have different gear ratio, so the driver can run in different speed. If he pulls the lever one more time, he can use the last gear set. Yes, this is a transmission system. Transmission system makes us to switch to another gear set so that we can use different speed of gear devices. As you know, most of gear devices need various speed, so most of them need transmission system. Not only large devices need them, but also small devices need them too. However, traditional transmissions have some problems. First problem is they are too big. To switch to another gear set, pulling lever and clutch is essential, so there has to be a limit to make it smaller. Eventually, small-sized gear devices cannot use this transmission system. There's more problems. Because traditional system works by teeth of gears, there must be a friction while working. So as friction repeats, the gear teeth will break, the efficiency will decrease, and also it'll make a lot of noise. So through this project, we wanted to invent a whole new transmission system that can solve all of existing problems. We find out that all the problems in the traditional systems were caused because it works in a contact way. Isn't it? We must use big pulling lever and clutch to contact the gear. And there must be a friction because the gear contacts. So we thought, let's make it in non-contact way. We decided to use magnet gear instead of traditional gear. Magnet gear works in a non-contact way using a magnet and has a very compact size. It has 4 main parts: inner rotor, stator and pole piece, and outer rotor. Just think it's simple. Inner rotor is a small gear, and outer rotor is a large gear of the traditional gear. And just as the number of teeth determines the gear ratio, the number of magnet determines the gear ratio. In this project, we tried to combine magnetic gear and traditional transmission system. And we succeeded. We invented new transmission system by using magnetic gear, introducing our solution to the traditional transmission system, NCT-M. NCT-M stands for Non-Contact Transmission System Using Magnetic Gear. We designed NCT-M to fully provide all functions of traditional transmission system. First, provides various speeds. 2, be able to switch to another gear set. To provide various speeds, there must be a set of magnet parts. So we modified outer rotor parts and invented outer rotor sets. We prepared a cylinder and made some holes to put the magnets inside. And we made 2 more parts so that we could put 3 different numbers of magnet. This is how we designed outer rotor set to provide 3 different speeds. For the pole piece and stator, we also prepared a one long rod, and we made 3 parts so that it can match with outer rotor set. For inner rotor, we prepared a one long rod and also make holes to put the magnet in. Here we make only 1 part. This is the base of our overall system. Now mount the outer rotor set to this base, and then put the pole piece and stator part in this outer rotor set. Finally, move the inner rotor rod back and forth like this. By doing this, we can use 3 different speeds. The first part, second part, and the last part. Speed of first part is 1 versus 3. Second part is 1 versus 6. And the last part is 1 versus 13. Okay, the first function is success. Then how can we switch to another gear set? How do we control this rod back and forth? Maybe we can use pulling lever and clutch like traditional system, but the size will be bigger again. Or maybe we can use our hands. No, this is not cool. To control this movement in the most efficient way, we invented case. Both inside and outside of the case, we made a thread. We put a small motor on the bottom and put the case on the inner rotor rod. By doing this, we are able to move inner rotor rod back and forth by using rotational movement. Yes, now we can switch to another gear set in a perfect way. But we worried about shaking due to rotational movement. So we've put 4 bearings inside to minimize this vibration. Also, we filleted all of the corners for our design safety. This is the final design of NCT-M we invented. It's a completely new system that using magnetic gear. It's the only system that works in non-contact way. We didn't use any big parts like clutch or pulling levers, so it's the only transmission that can be miniaturized. It's free from friction, energy loss, and also noise of gears. The last part is our budget and detail size of system. You can pause the video for checking out each slides. Total budget of our system is about 200,000 won. Except buying some magnets, we will use 3D printer to make each part. The demand for small-scale transmission system is keep increasing, so we think NCT-M is very meaningful product. Thanks for watching our video.
커피 한잔 할래요 커피 한잔 할래요 두 입술 꼭 깨물고 용기는 그만